Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Marvish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing a recipe for cinnamon sugar French toast stick. They are actually French toast but a finger food version. Cinnamon sugar and crispy from outside and soft and fluffy from inside. My kids love French toast sticks and we usually used to buy from the store. Then I thought to try this recipe at home and this one turns out delicious, far better than the store bought. So I thought to share this recipe with you guys today. Let's go and make it happen. Let's start our recipe with Bismillah. First, I'm taking French brioche bread for this recipe. I got this one from Trader Joe's. It's pre-sliced thick bread pieces and it's perfect for any French toast recipe. For the French toast, a bread has to be a stale bread so it won't soak up a lot of our egg mixture. And you can use any thick Texas toast or any thick bread for this recipe. I'm slicing this one piece of bread slice into 3 sticks and repeating the same process with the rest of my bread slices. Now I'll keep it on the side and take a deep dish and then adding some sugar and powdered cinnamon in there and mix well until they both are combined and our cinnamon sugar mixture is ready to dip our French toast sticks. Then I'm taking a regular mixing bowl, cracking some eggs, then I'll add some milk, heavy whipping cream, and some vanilla essence. Start mixing until everything is fully combined. When I dip my bread pieces in there, I'll keep it on this prepared tray cookie sheet which I already lined with some foil. Now start picking up your each breadstick and dip in this egg mixture, flip and then stick it out. Just leave it in this milk mixture for at least 3 to 5 seconds, not more than that, otherwise it will get soggy. Then transfer all these pieces on your prepared cookie sheet and then heat some butter into your fry pan. Pick up each of your dipped breadstick and put it in this heated pan. Don't overcrowd your pan. Just give them enough space so you can flip them easily. And when one side got nice golden color and get little crispier, then flip and let the other side cook completely and get this very nice golden color. Then transfer all these cooked bread pieces into your cinnamon sugar mixture and just sprinkle that cinnamon sugar all over the bread pieces. You can ask for the help like I had there. All you have to do is just coat the breadstick into the cinnamon sugar mixture and just dip off the excess. Now if you are ready to freeze this, just transfer all those cooked and dipped bread pieces onto this cookie sheet and transfer this into the freezer until they are completely frozen for at least 4 to 6 hours. Then transfer all those frozen pieces into a labeled Ziploc bag and you can have them any time of the day. Serve them for brunch or your weekday breakfast. So here you can see this cinnamon sugar French toast sticks are ready to serve. Although they are perfectly paired with the cinnamon sugar, but you can serve them with some maple syrup or honey on the side. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turns out with you. Then if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.